Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you people are doing well. So this is your English literature period, and in this period we are going to learn about literature novel In the Ear of the Dragon. And first of all, we are going to learn about chapter number 1. So let me share my screen first with you people so that you people can understand the things appropriately. So In the Ear of the Dragon, you can find chapter number 1 from pages 4 to 7. There are 5 main characters: Mr. Norris, Mrs. Norris, Jason, Nicholas, and Mrs. Pickles. Actually, Mr. Norris is a father and husband. Mrs. Norris is a wife of Mr. Norris. Jason and Nicholas both are the sons of Mr. and Mrs. Norris. And well, if we talk about Mrs. Pickles, she is a housekeeper of the house of Mrs. Pickles' home in Hong Kong. Let me describe their characters in detail. Mr. Norris is tall. Mrs. Norris is also tall. Both are thin. But Mr. Norris has strong features and Mrs. Norris has delicate features. If we talk about Jason and Nicholas, one is 16 years old and one is 10 years old. Jason seems quite angry and a serious person, but Nicholas is always happy and cheerful as always. And Mrs. Pickles is a housekeeper, as you have just learned. Now, let me tell you about the difficult vocabulary which is used in chapter number 1 that could create troubles for you. So number 1 is loo. Loo means toilet. Pretend means to act in unrealistic way. Sarcastically means to behave in sarcastic way, means to behave in tanzia way. You can say that कुछ लोग तंजिया होते हैं ना बहुत ज़्यादा, so we can call it sarcastic. Delicate means nazuk. Grimace means to make faces. Giggle means to laugh in a silly way. Let me tell you about the summary of the story. Mr. Norris, along with his family, is in Hong Kong. He has just come to the Hong Kong with the beginning of the chapter, and actually he belongs from England. He has a wife named Mrs. Norris. He has 2 sons. One is Jason and one is Nicholas. Younger one is 10 years old. Older one or elder one is 16 years old. Jason has straight blonde hairs and blue eyes, and Nicholas has red wavy hair, sparkling green eyes. Nicholas is darling of everyone because of his innocence and cute activities. And Mrs. Pickles is their housekeeper, and the family met Mrs. Pickles just after reaching in Hong Kong. So this is all about chapter 1. This is the introductory chapter of the novel In the Ear of the Dragon. All right. So now let's open Verbook, page number 4. On page number 4, there is an exercise A and exercise B. You have to solve both of the exercises. This is our classwork, and the answers are mentioned over here. But before going to the answers, let me tell you how to solve these. Number 1, exercise A is complete the sentences with the correct name: Jason, Nicholas, Mr. Norris, or Mrs. Norris. Dash wants to play a trick. Who wants to play a trick? Nicholas. Number 2, Jason is usually blamed for everything. Number 3, Dash can be strict at times. Mrs. Norris. Dash doesn't want to be in Hong Kong. Who doesn't want to be in Hong Kong? Jason. That's the reason he seems to be angry. Whenever we were learning about the main points, we talked about now that Jason was angry, or Jason seemed to be angry. Why? Because he doesn't want to be in Hong Kong. Understood? Number 5, Dash avoids trouble. Who avoids trouble? Head of the family, father, Mr. Norris. Number 6, Dash is usually liked by everyone. Who is liked by everyone? Nicholas. Understood? So we have talked about the characters in detail, about their features, how they look like. We have talked about the main points of the chapter, that in this chapter there are 5 main characters: Mr. Norris, Mrs. Norris, little young Nicholas, who is very naughty and clever, or you can call it he is always happy; Jason, who is quite serious, tall boy, and he doesn't want to be in Hong Kong. And we have talked about that in the chapter on page number 2. If you read the chapter, you can find out that Nicholas, who is a naughty boy as well, he played a trick. He tried to play a trick with his brother Jason, who seemed to be serious at that time, and who seemed to be angry as well at that time, and who did not want to be in Hong Kong. And we learned about all these things in that chapter. And then we learned about that how Mrs. Pickles helped them to guide their home, and as she was the housekeeper of them. And we have talked about you can see a conversation between Mrs. Pickles and Nicholas in the last page and in last few paragraphs. So this is all about the chapter 1 of In the Ear of the Dragon. Understanding? In exercise B of workbook, page number 4, you can find true, false. Number 1 is Mrs. Nicholas lost her children at the airport for a while. Number 2, Nicholas often followed Jason around. Number 3, Jason was angry at Nicholas because he choked on chocolate. Nicholas is always disappearing. Number 5, Mr. Norris felt sorry for Jason. Number 6, Mr. Norris knew Mrs. Pickles well. Number 7, Jason was jealous because Mrs. Pickles paid more attention to Nicholas. Number 8, Nicholas bought the chocolates. So these are the statements. You have to tell whether these are true or false, and these are the answers mentioned over here. And the last exercise of today's class, which we are doing, is that on page number 5, exercise C, in which there are some words and you have to write the same meaning words which is also in the text of the novel. Understanding? Number 1 is driver. Driver, same meaning word which is used in the text is chauffeur. Annoying person, same meaning word which is also used in the text of the novel in chapter 1 is pest. Do you know when this word is used? When Jason and Nicholas came to the Hong Kong, Jason was going to the washroom, or loo, you can call it loo as well, to the washroom. Jason was going to the toilet and Nicholas was following him. So Nicholas was actually annoying Jason. So in remarks, Jason said Nicholas pest. Number 3, kind of joke means prank. You know now that Nicholas played prank. It means made a joke with Jason and he pretended to choke the chocolate in his throat. Understanding? Then here we have number 4, make a face. Make a face. To make a face, muh banana. And the other word which is used in the text, it's grimaced. Then impression is a word used for make a remark. Then here we have number 6, manage to see means spotted. Then number 7, toilet, which is a word used in the text. You can use other word for toilet, that is loo. Laugh in childish way, it is called giggle. Bags and suitcase, this is called luggage. It is also used in the text. Young man, in English, for a young man, we can call lad as well. I hope you people are getting. Now your homework is make a title page in your notebook of chapter 1 and answer the questions of workbook page number 6. What are the questions? Let me tell you so that your homework would be really very easy for you. In chapter 2, the Norris family get to their new home. Guess what will happen? These are the questions in which you have to answers in form of predictions. Understanding? Now, I am giving you some instructions to you that after you are done listening with the recording, you need to read the chapter thoroughly. Pages number 4 to 7, you are needed to read it thoroughly. Understanding? So that you can solve the exercises and you can understand each and everything very properly. I hope so. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.